All right, today I want to introduce you to a project, an airdrop that will make a lot of people good money. I know many of you may have been into it for some time, but a lot of people are not still on this airdrop, and that's why I'm bringing it. So if you are on it already, you can let me know in the comment section your experience already. But if you are not on it, it's not late for you to join. And I'm talking about Get Grass airdrop, right? And all you need to participate on this airdrop is to have a browser that supports Web3 and that also supports extension apps. So you are going to be using either Mrs. Browser or Kiwi browser, but I recommend it too. There are others, anyways. So in this video, I'm going to be using Mrs. Browser. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download Mrs. Browser. You can as well download Kiwi browser. Okay. Now, know that the GetGrass airdrop or the app is actually a Web3 extension app, which is why you must need a browser that supports Web3 and, of course, extension. So, um, before we get into the video proper, okay, just make sure that you do this, get these browsers. So let's get into the video proper. And if you are watching this video for the first time, you have to know that it is not late. If you have not joined, right, don't forget to hit that like button if you find value in this video. In the course of watching it, follow us if you've not followed us already, and then let's keep going. There are many updates that we'll be bringing, right? So install your Mrs. browser and then open it the way you're seeing it. I have just opened my Mrs. browser. Now head over to the search button and then paste the URL that's to access the GetGrass platform. Paste the URL or the link that is going to come with this video. Okay, anywhere you can get it. It can be in the comment section, it can be in the description box. If you're on my Telegram, I also drop it on the Telegram. Okay, it will come with a video. So you paste it and you paste it, that is the link, and then you click to search. Okay, you click to search, and yes, there we go. And you'll be required to input your details, okay, which includes your email address. Put it accurately. Of course, you are going to be verifying the email address. Then username, password, choose a strong password and agree to the terms. You do the captcha as well, okay, and register. You do the captcha, you do the I am not a robot captcha, and then you click register. So I'm just going to input my details right away. So I've entered all my details, but I want to show you something. You see this place that you're going to put your username. Don't, after the last letter, don't leave a space. If you leave a space like this, it won't work. Yes, don't leave a space. I hope you can see the blinking icon. So just let it be like this before it will be accepted. So I've actually inputted all my details, email, username, password, and all that. Then and then you check all this, you agree to the terms, you click I'm not a robot, and then you do the capture. Okay, select all squares with fireworks, so, or fire hydrants rather. So I'm just going to do that. Of course, this has this has this has this has this has this has this has, and yeah, I think this has as well. Okay, and then we click verify, and then we click on register. So registration successful. So we have successfully registered right now. Now email has been sent to me. So I'm just going to, get the email, Seagrass, and then I'll click on confirm email. Okay, after that, when you have clicked to verify, you'll be required to input the login details that you just used to create the account. You can also actually go back to the Mrs. browser and then you refresh. Okay, you refresh and then you are on your account already. Okay, just after clicking on verify email on your email, okay, your email box, you just come back to the Mrs. browser and refresh, okay, refresh, and of course you will see this, okay, you have successfully registered. This is not yet the main email verification, right? So what you are going to do is you come here and click on connect. You click on connect, okay. When you click on connect, you are going to click on add to Chrome, okay. You click on add to Chrome to add it to the extension, and then you click OK. When you click OK, is being added to the Chrome extension. You can see remove from Chrome. You can see remove from Chrome, right? Now to confirm that you have actually added to this, you see this icon, that is the extension. You click here and then you're going to see grass extension, okay? Now to start seeing your reward and claiming your reward, you click on that extension, grass extension, right? And you'll be prompted to log in now. You're going to log in proper now, okay? You're going to log in proper. Now you click here, okay? Now this is Mrs. Browser. You're going to input those login details now and then click on access my account. So when you are done inputting it, you click on access my account, and voila, we've been redirected to this place. You refresh, you just refresh, and there we go. You can see that I've actually started earning just now. I've started earning, okay. I've started earning already. Look at what I've just started earning. So that is going to be for the registration, okay. Now don't fail to watch my next video on the get grass, okay, so that you see how to connect your wallet and verify it, and also verify your email, okay. To do that, you're going to click here, okay, but just watch my video. You can see now, I told you that's not yet the verification. The email verification that we just did now is not yet the verification. You are going to do this and then verify. When you are done with this, before this will be opened for you, and then you're also going to verify the wallet here, okay, in your email. So but for now, this is all you need. Do the registration to start earning, and to increase your earning, you need to be using this Mrs. Browser for some other things, okay, like browsing, going to the different sites, going to TikTok, YouTube. The more you use the Mrs. Browser, the more your earnings increase, right? So that is all you need to do for now. So register immediately, because it's not late for you to do that already. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.